Cholesterol is an important factor in your risk for coronary heart disease. When your arteries narrow, your risk for heart attack or stroke increases. Unfortunately, Tri-County Heart Institute patient Richard Vierra knows far too much about the risk of heart attacks. After 2 heart attacks, he is focused on his cholesterol and very selective about who he chooses to provide his cardiac care.
Quite a few years ago, I was searching for a new heart doctor because I felt the one that I had was not taking good care of me. And I happened to see an ad in the paper that Dr. Alvarez was doing a seminar at the Waterfront Inn in the Villages. So my wife and I went to see her, and we were very impressed with her. We were allowed to ask her questions. She was very sharp. She answered very quickly. I mean, she really knew what she was talking about. We were very impressed. And after the seminar, I went up and asked her if she was taking new patients. She said yes. I said, sign me up. I've had 2 heart attacks. I've had 2 triple bypass surgeries. The first one being age 39. That was in 1986. The second one I had was in 2001. I had to have the triple bypass redone in 2001. And here I am today. I was looking for somebody that's going to be honest and cares about me and not about making money. The prior heart doctor that I had scheduled me for a blood test, and I later found out that it was $1,400. And I called him up and I said, I can't afford that. And his comment was, well, don't worry about it, Medicare will pay for it. I said, well, obviously you don't read my chart because I'm not old enough for Medicare yet. That was the end of him. That's the reason I went to Dr. Alvarez. I love her. I absolutely adore her. She's very caring and she doesn't lie to you. Like I explained to her, if you think I need a blood test or any kind of test, I'll get the test. And her words were, Mr. Vierra, I will not schedule any test unless you absolutely need it. And we've hit it off ever since. She always explained it to me why I need it. And I've asked her a few times, well, how long do I have to take this? She said, Mr. Vierra, you're going to have to take this the rest of your life because of your cholesterol problem. My body manufactures too much cholesterol. It has to be controlled. She's given me these medications to control it. I tell all my friends, if you need a heart doctor that you want to take care of you, that cares about you, then go to Dr. Alvarez. I just think she's a great heart doctor. I wouldn't go to any other heart doctor.
Dr. Nitza Alvarez, cardiologist at the Tri-County Heart Institute, is committed to helping her patients incorporate physical exercises into their routines. That's why she participates in the Walk with the Doc program. You can join Dr. Alvarez every second Saturday of the month for Walk with the Doc. Participants will enjoy a brief presentation on an important health topic, followed by a walk at your own pace led by Dr. Alvarez. You'll find information on Walk with the Doc and the Tri-County Heart Institute when you click the Choosing Cardiac Care story link icon online at yourhometownhealth.com.